Good morning, grade 2s. Welcome to our Monday spelling lesson. So we're going to learn something new for spelling this week, and then you're going to practice these words throughout this week, and we'll have our test on Friday. So we are going to think about the sound k at the end of words. Now, how can we spell k? Well, we can use our CK that says k, or we could use the letter K that says k. So when we're spelling a word with a k at the end of the word, we need to decide whether we'd use CK or we would use K. Now I want us to think about the word rock. Okay, so I'm going to leave the ending blank here and we're going to decide here. We've got the word rock. Okay, so we have R-O, R-A. Now the O here, is it saying its name? Is it saying O? No, it's saying ah, the short vowel sound. It's saying ah. When there's a vowel right before the k sound, so r-a-k, the O comes right before the k sound, and if it's saying not its name, the short sound, ah, we're going to spell it with CK. Okay, so if the vowel comes right before the k sound, and it's the short vowel, not its name, we're going to spell it with CK. R-A-K. Okay, so we have the word rock. Going to do another one. Ask. So the word is ask. A-s-k. And we have to determine, do we use a K or a CK? Well, we go to the rule. Is there a vowel right before the k sound? Ask. No, it's an S right before. So we're not going to do the CK. That's only for a vowel that's not saying its name. We're going to pull the K down. Ask. Okay, perfect. We'll put the K back and let us build another word, elk. The animal, elk. E-o-k. What's coming before the k sound? Elk. L is. E-o-k. So because it's not a vowel before it, we're going to use a K. Do you see that? Elk. Now, I want you to practice. So I want you to get your spelling book and I want you to open to the next page. I'm going to say a word and I want you to determine if we're going to spell it with a CK or if we're going to spell it with a K. Okay, so you're going to write it down and we're going to decide. So press pause if you need to get your book open to the next page and you're going to write them. Okay? The first word that I want you to write down is lock. Lock. So L-A, so L-O, and then which k how are we gonna spell lock? There is a vowel right before it and it's saying ah, not O, so we're gonna use that CK. Can you write that? Lock. L-O-C-K. Lock. Okay, we're going to put the CK back. The next word I want you to spell is sick. Like I'm not feeling well. Sick. S-I-C-K. Do I use CK or do I use K? Right, it's a vowel saying I. So I'm going to pull up the CK. Sick. Right? Okay, next one. Risk. Like I'm going to take a risk. R-I-S-K. How am I going to spell that k sound? Right, there's no vowel before the k. It's an S. So I'm going to pull down the K. Risk. Did you write that down? Risk. Okay, we'll do one more. Snack, because we all love to eat snacks. Snack. You write this down. Write it down. Spell it out. Snack. Okay, what are we going to pick for that K sound? For that k sound, I mean. Sorry, not K. The k sound. Well, we do have a vowel, and it's saying ah, not A, so it's ah. We're going to pick the CK. Snack. Very good. Okay. So today in our words, as you're spelling them, as I dictate these words that you're going to write down, you're going to think about, is it K or is it CK that's making the K sound? If a vowel comes before that's not saying its name, you're going to pick the CK. Okay? So you're going to, at the top of your page, I'm going to get my marker here. I want you to write step 19. Okay? And I also want you to put the date today, which is April 26th. Okay? And then down your margin, you're going to write the numbers. 1, skip a line. 2, skip a line. 3, skip a line. Press pause on the video until you have all numbers all the way down to 10, where you have step 19 and the date at the top, okay? So get the date and step 19, and then we'll go down and I will dictate your words to you, okay? So your first word that I want you to spell is black. And you're going to pick whether you're going to do CK or K. Black.